I know a lot of you guys are using your Firestick to stream sports, so today's video we will dedicate to sports applications. We'll take a look at the best official free sports applications which you can download from the official Amazon App Store. Therefore, you can't even get yourself in trouble compared to using the unofficial IPTV or live TV services. So once again, all the applications you'll see in this video can be downloaded from the official Amazon App Store. You don't need a downloader, you don't need a jailbreak, just type the name of the app into search and you'll find it for your Fire Stick. The only extra detail you may need is a VPN if you are located outside of the United States. For example, I am located in Europe, so some of these apps don't work for me by default, but I turn on NordVPN, connect to United States, and then I'm able to use all the applications I mentioned. And if you need a VPN because you're traveling or you just live abroad or you're not from United States, you can use my promo link in the description below or in the pinned comment to get 4 months of service of NordVPN totally for free. So if you need a VPN, that's a great deal. And without any further ado, let's start with Zuma Play. In the application, on the left side menu, you can go straight to Live Guide. Let's click on it. And here we have to scroll down until we see the sports category. So here it is, and let's see what it offers. As you can see, you can watch the NFL channel, Fox Sports, CBS Sport, People Are Awesome, Outside, Pac-12 Insider, PGA Sports, USGA TV, ACC On, WPT, ESR, Waypoint TV, Bean Sports Extra, Poker Go, Billiard TV, Fan Duel TV, Pursuit Up, Golf Pass, and Strongman Champions. And there's also a separate section for combat sports. So there's Fight Network, UFC, Boxing TV, PFL, Glory, and Impact. So that's a pretty nice amount of decent sports TV channels if you ask me. And now let's quickly move to the second application of today's video. We'll be taking a look at SteTV. Let's see what this application got for us. Click on the live TV section at the top of the screen. And then on the left side menu, you'll see the sports button. And that's exactly what we're looking for, of course. What's interesting about this application is going to source channels based on your location. So right now I have selected the Los Angeles as my location, and it only shows a couple of sports channels for us in the live TV section. But if you'd be interested in more channels and different channels, you just go to your profile, click on change city, and then select your state and your city from the list. Then the app is going to show you your local channels. That's pretty convenient. The third app on our list today is going to be TubTV. The app is also 100% legal, just like any apps we mentioned before or that we'll mention in the future after this app. There is no need to create an account, so you can just click on skip and then continue as a guest. After that, you have to go to live TV section at the top of the screen and then select the sports on Tubi. So let's see what we got here. It starts with Fox Sports, then NBA G League TV, NFL Channel, MLB, PGA Tour, Football Sports, Top Rank Classics, Motor Trend Fast TV, Stadium, Poker Go, USA Today Sports, Waypoint TV Outside, Racing America, NHRA, Women's Sports Network, Fox Sports in Espanol, Bean Sports Extra, Pac-12 Insider, Real Madrid, Bean Sports Extra in Spanish, and ACCDN. So all in all, a pretty decent list. Definitely worth checking out. The next app on today's list is going to be Pluto TV. When you open the app, you have to go to Channel Guide on the left side menu and then scroll down until you see Sports. Here it is, and let's see what channels we have here. So it's going to be CBS Sports, Fox Sports, NFL Channel, MLB, Golazo Network, Right Pass, Pluto TV Sports, Fight, Bellator MMA, PFL, Impact, Glory Kickboxing, MAF TV Select, Waypoint TV, WPT, and Poker Go. As you may notice, some of the channels are the same as we saw on the previous applications. So in terms of that, if the couple of apps have the same channels that you are interested in, it's just completely up to you which application to choose. Just select whichever works best for you and whichever is most convenient for you to use. And we are quickly moving to the next application in our list today. Is gonna be Cloud TV. When you open the app, it will ask you to log in, but you don't really need to do so. Just click on Watch Free Now, and then it's going to connect to the free version of the app. And then when you go to the list of channels, you'll find Sports Grid, Fight, Sports News, Edge Sports, Sideline, Hunt Channel, Wire to Fish, WPT, HSN, Funrose TV, and EESL. Not too many channels, but still it's a free application, so better than nothing. And now the last application on today's list, but probably my favorite, because it has the most channels of them all. The application is called Sports Tribal. Let's open it up. This app is totally dedicated to sports, so you won't find any movies or TV shows in here, only everything sports related. Firstly, you'll see the homepage. At the first line, you'll see the popular channels on Sports Tribal right now, so those are the channels that get the most views. For example, SteTV, Pac-12 Insider, USJTV, H Sports, Motorsport TV, Poker Night, Extreme Plus, NHRA, Billiard TV, World Poker Tour, and others. Then, at the bottom, you'll see Editor's Choice, so the channels which were for some reason selected by the editors, such as Stars, Impact Wrestling, Sport Grid, Campus Lore, Origin Sports, Tennis Channel, World Poker Tour, RPM Motorsport TV, Chopper Town, and In Trouble. If you scroll down a bit more, you'll see the new channels which were just added to Sports Tribal, such as Powder, Bike, Skateboarding, Snowboarder, Surfer, Court Sports Network, Chess TV, Stadium, GCTV, and Boxing World. But my favorite part of this app is of course the TV guide, because here you can see all the channels that are available on the application and of course all the events that are happening or will be happening in the near future. So here's a timetable for this Friday, December 15, and the list of all the channels. So Pac-12, Trey Sports, Tennis Channel, Court Sports, Pico TV, Perfect Game TV, USJTV, Stadium, Origin Sports, Campus Lore, Believe Football, Believe, Sports Grid, Sports Stack, Lacrosse TV, Cornhole TV, Wire to Fish, Chess TV, Stars, Billiard, Kuzum TV, World Billiards TV, World Poker Tour, Poker Go, Poker Night, Powder, Snowboarder, Skateboarding, Surfer, Bike, Edge Sport, Fio TV, World of Free Sport, Unreal, Extreme Plus, Ski TV, In Trouble, Teton Gravity, Horse and Country, GCTV, MTRSP, MAF TV, Motorsport TV, Moto America TV, Auto All-Stars, Motorvision, NHRA, RPM Motorsport TV, Chopper Town, Boxing TV, Boxing World, PFL, Glory Kickboxing, Fight 24/7, Fight Network, Hard Knocks, Impact Wrestling, Grappling Network, and the Strongman Champions League. As you can see, Sports Tribal has way more channels than other applications, and most importantly, it has a lot of unique channels that other applications do not feature. So in my opinion, the Sports Tribal is the best app on today's list. And now let me know in the comments which app do you think is the best on today's list, and which app do you use the most. See you next time. Bye bye.